Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to edit text on Instagram Reels. Instagram lets users easily insert and edit text on Reels videos. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Choose the Reel option from the pop-up menu. When the camera screen opens, record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Tap the text icon at the top of the screen and type in your text. Once your text is written, it's time to edit it. So resize your text. Select the text font you like. Align. Highlight your text. Change its color. Or even animate it. After that, hit done in the upper right corner. Now you can place your text anywhere on the screen. You may also insert stickers or draw something on your video if you want. When the video is ready, press on the arrow button in the bottom right corner and share it to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to edit text on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.